Welcome to the Comply Companion course. In this course, we'll cover an overview of SOC 2, as well as some of the reasons why you might choose Comply to manage your compliance program. The first lesson will be focused on SOC 2 itself, beginning with the difference between a Type 1 and a Type 2 audit. We'll talk about the team that you'll assemble to create your compliance program and the project plan that team will follow. The second lesson will be all about policy templates. We'll do a deep dive on some of the mistakes you'll want to avoid, as well as how to customize those templates to the particulars of your business. The third lesson will be focused on the tools themselves, and we'll show how document management, workflow automation, and your source control system come together to handle a lot of the nagging details that are inevitably part of the compliance process. Let's get started.